In this video, I will show you how to watch NFL RedZone on YouTube TV. So to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open YouTube TV on your device. You can go ahead and open the app or the website on your device. Now in here, make sure that you're signed in into your account. So if you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and sign into your account. Go ahead and click on that shopping bag icon at the top right of your screen. As you can see in here, you'll be able to find NFL RedZone with Sports Plus under the add-on section. Click on that and click on the next button. So that will redirect you in this section. So as you can see in here, base plan would cost $59.99 per month. And to be able to watch NFL RedZone on your YouTube TV, you'll need to add this to your subscription. So go ahead and click on that plus icon beside the NFL RedZone with Sports Plus to add this to your plan. So as you can see in here, the NFL RedZone with Sports Plus has a 7-day free trial. Once you check out this, you'll be able to get 10 days free trial for base plan of YouTube TV and 7 days free trial for NFL RedZone with Sports Plus. And after you check this out, you'll be able to watch NFL RedZone on YouTube TV on any device where you have YouTube TV installed and signed in. And that is how you can simply watch NFL RedZone on YouTube TV. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.